Yes, it is me, and I have arrived yet again with my
drum set.
Today we're going to talk about a drum beat that you can learn very quickly, and it's going to change a whole lot of how you look at the coordination between the bass, snare, and hi-hat. When I first learned this drum beat, it really helped broaden my horizons as far as different things that I can open up and play on my own. It actually helped me to improvise my own beats, so I'm going to show you how to do this. It's really quick, really easy, and once you get the hang of it, it's going to sound really cool. All we're going to do today is each and every hit is going to be individual. You're not going to hit anything at the same time. You're going to hit, if you're hitting your snare, you shouldn't be hitting anything else. Okay, so here's how it goes. It's very simple. You're going to start out with the bass, then the snare, and then the hi-hat, and then the bass again, and then the snare again. Okay, that's all there is to it. Now, when you kind of run this back to back in a time signature, like 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you have that bass snare, hi-hat, bass snare, you're gonna add one more thing to it, a hi-hat snare again, just like that. And that's gonna help it go back into the beat again, and that's gonna help it fit into that time signature, or as we've talked about before, that ice tray, that time signature ice tray. Now, let me show you what I mean. There you go. Okay, so after that, you're ready to transition right back into the beat again. Anyways, this is what it's gonna sound like when it's finally sped up. It's a really cool drum rhythm that helps you actually learn how to use the crossover between the hi-hat and the snare to create some sort of groove, and it really does influence your drum playing. Now, what you're going to find out actually when you get quicker is it's going to feel like your hi-hat's doing a consistent thing. You're going to feel like you're just slugging it normally like you would be when you're playing a 4/4 time signature. And that's really good that you feel that, because you're starting to understand synchronization. Synchronization means you could be doing one time signature with one thing, like for instance your right hand is doing a certain time signature, and your bass and your snare are doing something totally different.